Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a wallet crochet. Let's go. I start with 26 chain. 1, 2, now I have 26 chain and I make 3 chain more. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1 chain and take this 1, 2 and 3. You take back side of this chain. 4 front, 5 front, and together. And next, this star pattern. I make half of star. And next, in the hole, 1, 2 back side of this, you can see here. This 2, 3, 4, 5, and together. And make this pattern continue. First in the hole, back side, this 2, 3, 4, 5, and together. 1 chain. Do the same pattern until the last chain